Have you ever had a situation where you just can't figure out why the transfer isn't working? You've followed the heat press instructions, but it's just not doing what you expect. When you peel it up, it might be peeling away, or you might be running into some other issues. I'm going to tell you a principle that you can follow today that will help you troubleshoot and understand what's going on. All right, I've got my shirt on my heat press. I've got my transfer. I'm going to lay this down. And the principle is, what you want to be able to do is get your heat transfer up to 280 degrees for about 3 to 5 seconds. The reason is, the way that a heat transfer adheres to the fabric is the thermal polyurethane that is cured on the back of the ink performs best when it gets to about 280 degrees, melts and flows into the fabric. That takes about 3 to 5 seconds at that temperature. Where people oftentimes get confused is that they'll set the temperature of their actual heat press to 280 or 290 degrees. But you can see we've got our heat press here set at 315. The reason we have it at 315 is because we've used a heat gun to press this shirt, test the temperature when the heat comes up like this. So we'll take this, we'll do just like a quick test like this, and as soon as this comes up, we'll shoot it with a heat gun. And we want to know that this has reached about 280 degrees. And so setting the temperature here is just all about dialing in, how do I get this up to the proper temperature? So now that we know that we're able to get to that temperature, we can come here and with just nothing more than a 5-second press, I know I'm getting to that temperature. When this comes away, I'm going to hot peel this. Here we go. Whoop. And it's perfect. Now, just for a hand feel's sake, I'll go with a cover sheet, do a quick 2-second press. And now I'm gonna have great durability and I'm gonna have a nice hand feel, and it takes away some of the sheen. Now here's why that principle is so important. I just pressed this on 100% cotton shirt. That was 5 seconds on 100% cotton. That thick cotton shirt actually absorbs some level of heat. If I were to put a 100% polyester shirt down here, that's going to heat up much faster, in which case I might actually only want to press this for maybe 2 seconds, maybe 3 seconds, okay? So understanding that principle, that the goal isn't to have this set at 280 to 290 degrees, but the goal is to get this print up to 280 to 290 degrees. Will help you understand how to adjust for different materials, a thick sweatshirt, a cotton shirt, or maybe something thin like 100% polyester, and help troubleshoot times when, I know it's a good transfer, I know I'm following the instructions, but it's just not working.